wa serikali imensi ya Kenya Mwaura umochirie abantu baria bakuraria mangana yobori mukubwatikana no gukokoyo kabairo mujumbe wenseme bunge Mwaura Dekir Mheshimiwa John Ngeno uyu sirito bugima bwae amona bande batano litikuria Jumamosi asomo basokano mubebwe ndege uyu korekanita se county ya Nandi enseme Mosop kaukwana kurwa se chabisi cha somo cho Nairobi Mwaura ni gobono akwanire na korokana kwa mochense merio kwameria serikali asatebire Eamate nyagusira tigaye Chingaki emuriro mwanchu abo siasa kitari kwanekiwa.
At the same time, it's also very important to state that once again we mourn the death of the Honorable Johanna Ngeno, who really was a great Kenyan. I was privileged personally to serve with him in the 11th and 12th Parliament, and also he was a personal family friend, my family and I. So we are sad to see this happening. And further to it is to really call out those who are trying to milk political capital out of this tragedy and, furthering narratives that are neither here nor there. I think for anyone who is in their right mind and who deserves to be a leader, you are supposed to allow your family, to mourn when one of them is, if you lose somebody, let the family mourn. You cannot use that opportunity, and especially members of the opposition, in casting aspersions and making wild allegations that are unsubstantiated. I think that is totally unacceptable and dramatizing everything.